Are you on the fence about offering a sliding scale? Offering a sliding scale can be beneficial to your clients who have less resources and ensure that your private practice stays full. Hey, it's Becca here with Mindful Web Solutions. We create fun, informational videos to help therapists grow their own private practices and recommend tools to help them along the way. Today, I'm going to give you why you should offer a sliding scale and how to calculate it. Before we dive in, I'd like to give you a quick overview of Mindful Web Solutions. We are a team of award-winning designers and marketers committed to helping therapists, counselors, and psychologists create a beautiful, custom, responsive website. For more information about what we do, click the link in the description below. If you aren't really sure what a sliding scale is, I will tell you. A sliding scale is a therapy that is priced based on clients' resources. Resources is a nice term for someone's income. So if you have a client who is going through a financial hardship or just doesn't have a lot of money, this is a really good option for them. This is the only option if you are only taking private pay clients that you are seeing. Sliding scales seem to be a risky and strong, opinionated topic in the therapist community. Ultimately, you have to decide what is the right choice for you. There tends to be a moral ground that most therapists who offer it seem to fall on, which is the belief that everyone should have the access to proper mental health care. There are some laws that you have to follow when offering a sliding scale, and they vary from state to state. So be sure to check to your state to see what the following guidelines are and if you can follow them. If you are accepting insurance, you need to check with each company that you offer it through. Some companies don't allow you to use a sliding scale when it comes to private pay clients because they see that you are charging one client a lower amount than they are paying you, and they think that you are committing insurance fraud. It varies from company to company, so just be sure to check with each insurance company if you're allowed to offer a sliding scale. If you've gotten the all clear from insurance companies and state laws, it is safe to offer a sliding scale. You will need to have your rates set up first. If you're having trouble with that, I have a video linked in the corner to how to help you set up your rates for private practice. Feel free to check that out and then come back to this video. You will want to consider a cap on how many clients you can see at your lowest sliding scale rate. Be sure that you can make the amount you need to support yourself with this amount of clients at the lowest option of your scale. You should have a cap for the lowest and highest rate option in your sliding scale. You should have to consider what is the lowest rate you can offer while not losing money for seeing this client. The top of your scale should be the normal rate you charge. This gives you the ability to slide anywhere in between these two numbers. Now that you have your rate set for your scale, you can determine how you're going to qualify a client. We recommend two of the client's most recent pay stubs. We have seen some therapists who calculate a client's debt into factor as well here. That is totally up to you. With their annual income, you choose where they fall onto the sliding scale. We use the formula 0.001 times yearly income to calculate what their rate is. So let's say the client makes $50,000 per year, then they would pay you $50 per an hour. Stick to your boundaries you have set with this scale. If your client doesn't qualify, then they don't qualify. If you choose to enforce your rules for one client, they should all be expecting the same treatment, and you are showing an inability to set healthy boundaries if you fail to reinforce this. If offering a sliding scale is just not something you feel you want to offer, there are several other options you can offer to clients who are having trouble paying for you. You can do a client pro bono, which we recommend to limit to one client so that you can afford the lifestyle that you worked for. There's also the option of allowing a client to pay what they can. We recommend you also limit this to one client, and you can just let them pay what they can for each of your offerings. The option of starting a waitlist for these options is there as well. Don't feel guilty for limiting the number of clients you will allow to use these options. These waitlists allow you to help everyone when the time is right for you. Payment plans are another option. You can sit down with the client and price out a plan that works for both of you. This option is best for clients who may just be experiencing a temporary financial setback. Leave us some comments on how much this video helped you create a sliding scale for your private practice. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more helpful tips on how to grow your own private practice. Mindful Web Solutions build custom websites for therapists, counselors, and psychologists. If you need a website for your private practice, click the link in the description below. I'm Becca with Mindful Web Solutions, and I'll see you in the next video.